In front of me is UMIDIGI A3, and let me show you how to set up Fingerprint on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select security and location right here, and click on Fingerprint. And if you truly want to unlock your device with Fingerprint, just click on Next. And at first you need to pick the backup for your locks, for your Fingerprint. So it's going to be pattern, PIN code or password. I will go with pattern. Tap on yes to set it up, and now enter the unlock pattern. Click on next then, and then draw your pattern again to confirm that you want to use this one. Click on confirm, and it has been saved. Now you need to select the notifications content. So if you would like to see them all, just pick first option. If you would like to hide sensitive info, mark this option, and if you don't want to see them at all, pick third version, and this is the one that I would like to pick. Click on done then, and now you need to touch the sensor. Your sensor is located on the back cover of this device, so smoothly turn the device around. Here it is, and keep tapping on your device's sensor. And if you will take a look right here, you will be able to see that you can observe the progress. So here you will be able to check if your fingerprint has been already added, and as you can see, here it is. Now just tap on done, and as you can see, you've just added fingerprint. And from now on, if you want to unlock your device, you can either use this backup pattern that we set or your fingerprint. Smoothly tap the sensor, and here you are. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.